By the end of this video, you will know how to add an inventory item in Xero. Start by opening Xero and signing into your account if you are not already on the main dashboard. Once you are in, look to the top menu and click Sales. This opens the area where you manage items connected to what you buy and sell, including products that you want to track as inventory. From the Sales menu, select Products and Services. This takes you to the page where your existing items are listed. If you already have products in Xero, you will see them here. If not, the page will still give you the option to create a new one. On this screen, click New Item to begin entering the details for the inventory item you want to add. The Item Setup form will open. Start by entering a code for the item. This is the internal reference Xero uses for the product, so it should match the code structure you use in your business records. Then add the name of the item. This is the product name that will appear in your item list and can also appear on transactions, so make sure it matches how you want the item identified. Next, check the box labeled Track Inventory Item. This step matters because it tells Xero to track both the quantity you have on hand and the value of that stock. If this box is not selected, the item will not be created as a tracked inventory item. Move down to the Purchase section. Enter the cost price for the item. This is the amount associated with buying the product. After that, select the purchase account that should be used for this item, then choose the appropriate tax rate. If you want purchase transactions for this item to carry a description automatically, add a purchase description in the field provided. If you do not need one, you can leave that part blank. Then go to the Sales section and enter the sale price. This is the amount you plan to charge when the item is sold. Next, select the sales account that should apply to the item, and then choose the correct tax rate for sales. If you want sales transactions to include a preset description, enter a sales description. This can be useful if you want the same wording to appear each time the item is used on an invoice or sales document. Before saving, review the form to make sure the code, name, tracking setting, accounts, and tax rates are correct. In particular, make sure you select the correct purchase and sales accounts before continuing. When everything looks right, click Save to create the tracked inventory item in Xero. Your tracked inventory item is now created in Xero.